Alright, good morning everybody. It's 6:30 and I'm doing the first step of making sourdough. I have a giant bowl on the scale and I have 700 grams of warm water. And now I'm going to add 200 grams of my starter and see how it's all like bubbly and everything. I fed it last night and I'm going to get my hand a little bit wet from the water. My hands are clean. And scoop the starter out, and that way it won't stick to my hands as much, hopefully. It'll drop in, and then we want to put 200 grams in there, so it'll make a total of 900 grams, and then we'll have a little bit of the starter left over to keep the starter going, so we can have bread. So, okay, a little bit, tiny bit over, but that's totally fine. And then you can tell the starter's ready because it's all bubbly and it's actually floating on the surface of the water. And then I mix that in. It just helps to kind of break this up before you add the flour. This process is called Autolysing, and it's the first step where you're just like getting the flour moist before you actually add the salt and then start folding the bread every half hour. So we're going to add 1,000 grams of flour, and actually what I can do is I can take the scale and hit the 0 out button, so I'm at 0 again, and then I'm just going to add in 1,000 grams of flour. Let's see so you guys can see. Making a YouTube channel is hard. We just want to get it pretty close to 1,000. A little bit more. This makes 2 big loaves of bread. And weighing makes it just more accurate than measuring. So we're slightly over, but I'll pinch a little bit off the top, put it back in the bag. And I use King Arthur flour because it has a higher protein content in it than like any other all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour for part of it, but this is what I have on hand right now. And then this is the part where your hand gets all gloopy. You just kind of mix it all together and squish it around, and then you let it sit for an hour.